pag okay, o. Video na. Sige na.
Ano ang kanila ko?
Ayaw, gulit ka pa rin kung kanina.
Ilan ko na ba?
Pag ID, Christopher.
Ay, ano ko sa card,
Dili ka, oh. I-off na man to. Sige, sige.
Tay, padali mo ko dapat. Padoon ba? Padoon.
Ay, gawin ka. Bawin ka. Ako mo, ha?
Ayun, katawa. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I will tackle the conjoint analysis of the passenger
Grupo na
car
to.
market. Huh?
Grupo sa...
Huh?
Ay. O, sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will tackle a conjoint analysis of the passenger car market. Choosing a passenger car also make the rule of the preference clearer. Filipino passenger car owner and owner's user may not be ayun na rin sabi. Di na ako kalma. Dali Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We tackle a conjoint analysis of the passenger car market. Choosing a passenger car can also make the rule of the preference clearer. Filipino passenger car owner and user may not be as sophisticated and discriminating their counterparts of higher developing countries, but they also surely consider attributes when deciding upon the passenger car.
Tanaw po, dire.
As consumer, they put an importance on price than only other attributes. What position strategy will a manufacturer adapt for a certain passenger car model, given such a preference?
Storya pa, bisa unsa.
That's all the introduction of my YouTube, and ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you satisfied my YouTube.